Hello, so Johnny, who helps out at the museum, made this a while back. And he didn't know what to do with it. He was going to get rid of it. I think he got this from a kind of second-hand shop. It is literally a big plate. Sort of like a gong, basically. That's what he's going with. But what he's done is he basically bolted this transducer on the back. It's a surface transducer. In fact, I think I gave him this. I think I did. Anyway, regardless, this was a few years ago or so. And now it was just sitting in his cupboard and he decided to get rid of it. And he said, I should wire it up into the museum. And I think that's what we're going to do in this video today. So yeah, it's a big plate, basically. It's quite a soft sound. It's not a really tinny kind of thing, what you would expect from like a plate reverb kind of plate, but that's what we're just going to work with. We've got it. It sounds kind of dead, I think. It's a bit dead sounding, but it might be kind of cool. We just don't know. I really want to make a plate reverb for the museum, but right now this is staring us right in the face. So I think we should just pop it up. Actually, I think it is a gong maybe. I mean, there's wall mount parts on here, so I don't know. Anyway, whatever. First thing we need to do is actually make a kind of stand for it because it's just sat around. I think he had this just dangling on some wood, but I think we'll quickly make a stand for it and maybe hang it up with some wire. If I make a box that's literally 1 meter by 1 meter and then we kind of suspend it inside it and have some feet on that, I think that's it. It'll be that simple. So let's do it. I've got some relatively thin box section. This will do. Oh yeah. Get the old Rapidor out. Oh no, you can't put it on wheels. Oh no, you've got to completely over-engineer it. Oh no, this isn't going to last a moment. Look at it. It's still happy. It's still working. It's amazing. Right, let's wire it into an amp and see what this baby's all about. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, yes. That is pretty damn good. I mean, I might need to tighten up the bolts that he's put on it, but yeah, not bad, Johnny, not bad. all it is basically a transducer. I cannot remember exactly where I got this from. I gave it to Johnny to do the project because I bought it for another project. I think it was for a plate reverb, but now it's going on a gong. Tiny bit more purposeful, but not too purposeful. Oh, yes. Anyway, let's go take it to the museum and see what else we can get out of it. See you later. It's going to be on the ceiling soon, so I'm going to bolt it up onto the ceiling, I reckon. Plan is I'll drill a few holes into the feet and turn it upside down and basically plonk it up there somewhere where all the cable trays are. Just above here so we can plug it into these things. So first, I think we should get a handful of these wired in and just get a few things recorded. Let's see what we can get out of it, shall we? Can't really force it to be what it isn't. It's a very kind of short, resonant kind of sound. It's the poor man's Ande Martin yacht. Yes, the mini digi, a feat of engineering. project in the next week when I finish the console over here. So I'm going to be wiring in the Compton console next week. And that means that the speaker is going to be an effect send, I think, for the Compton. The other Compton's here now as well, but I don't think I'm going to get that wired in quite yet. There's this big old spinning speaker right now, and that's going to be plonked up there, probably wall mount behind the drums, and then going to work on those drums. So there's plenty of stuff to do back for New Year's. But yeah, if you're interested in what transducer this is, I think I got it from eBay. Dayton Audio transducer. And as you can tell, it's pretty good. It makes it vibrate in a very nice way. Actually, quickly, let's get some DJX going through this bad boy. It's pretty good, actually.